Let's install Business Object 4.2 client tools now. It comes as a zip file. I already unzipped that file right here, and we are going to install client tools on the same machine as server. So you can see we have servers right here installed already. So it's a side-by-side installation in terms of client server. But in typical environment, you have client installed on separate machine and the server. But let's go ahead and do that. Double click there, double click again, data units, business objects, right click and run as administrator. That's always a good practice. Yes. Now installer is loading. Again, let's take the default language English. Okay, that everything has been succeeded. Next, next, accept the agreement. English language is fine. Now we are going to customize it. We don't want everything here. So I don't want business view manager or report conversion tool. Information design tool is good. Translation management tool I don't care about. Data federation administration tool, no. Development components, again I don't need any SDK, so I'm going to remove that. Now data access and security, since I'm installing client on the same machine as server, I don't need to reinstall all these database access which has been already installed when I installed the server. But if you're installing it on the separate machine, you can pick whatever you want, and mostly most of the time you do want to pick ODBC as well as Oracle and SQL Server drivers. So now just click next. Now it's ready to install. Click next, and the installer will install all the required components that we have selected. So it has finished installing the client tools. Click on finish and it's done, and we can verify it by going into all programs, SAP. Now I also have client tools here, and these are the tools that I picked during our installations. So that ends the video for SAP Business Objects 4.2 client tool installations.